Students, this is Shrujana Madam, and today we will be discussing the 11th chapter of our EVS book Weather and Seasons. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. Weather often changes, it can change day to day or throughout the day. A warm sunny day may turn into windy on the same day. Weather can be hot, humid, cold, or windy. The condition of the air at a particular time, such as rain, wind, or temperature, makes the weather. Children, as we can see in the paragraph, weather is that atmospheric condition which keeps on changing and it does not remain the same. Moving towards hot weather, on a hot day the sun shines brightly and we sweat a lot. We wear light colored clothes and like to eat and drink cold food items. Children, when the weather is hot, we like to stay under the fan or in ACs, and we prefer to have cold drinks and cold food items. Humid. On a rainy day, the weather is humid. We feel sticky as sweat does not evaporate easily. We prefer to stay indoors on a rainy day. Children, this happens because due to presence of excess moisture in the atmosphere, the sweat does not evaporate and we feel sticky, and due to the fear of rain and getting wet, we do not go outside. While moving out, we carry an umbrella to save ourselves from getting wet. Cold weather. On a cold day, the sun hides behind the clouds. We want to feel cozy, so we like to have hot drinks like tea, coffee, and soups. On a much cold day, we wear woolen clothes. Children, this is true that when the weather is cold, to maintain our normal body temperature, we prefer to have hot drinks like tea, coffee, and soup. And when it is extremely chilled, we prefer wearing woolen clothes to protect us from catching cold. Windy weather. On a windy day, the air blows fast and takes away dry soil with it. The leaves fall and get blown by the wind. It is difficult to move out on a windy day. Children, as we can see in this picture, the boy is trying hard to fly his kite and the girl is trying to keep up her pace while walking because the wind is creating a pressure on them and pushing them away. What is a season? When the weather remains the same for few months, it is called a season. There are mainly 5 seasons that we experience in India. Those 5 seasons are winter, spring, summer, monsoon, and autumn. Children, when the weather condition does not change for few months together or remains the same, then it gives birth to seasons. The first season is winter season. It starts from November and lasts till January. During the winter days, children, we feel very cold, especially in the month of December and January. The days with bright sunshine are warmer. The nights are very cold. The sun sets early in the evening. That is the reason why, children, during winter the days are shorter and the nights are longer. During winter, we like to stay indoors as it is very cold outside. Snowfall occurs in the hilly places. We wear thick woolen clothes and like to have hot drinks. Children, any person who feels cold likes to avoid going out during the winter season, and that is why people prefer staying indoors. And to reduce the effect of cold, they prefer having hot drinks like tea, coffee, and they wear woolen clothes. Moving towards the spring season starts from the month of February and is in full swing in the month of March. During spring, green plants and colorful flowers bloom. The weather is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Children, spring is a time during which the effect of winter slowly fades away. And that is the reason why the weather remains pleasant and the surroundings they look beautiful and colorful because several flowers they bloom and we can see children running after butterflies that hover around the flowers that grow during this season. Moving forward to our summer season. The summer season starts from the month of April and it lasts till the end of June. We feel heat in summer, the sun shines brightly, the sun sets late in the evening, thus making days longer than night. Children, when normally during summer season we observe that there is light till around 7:30 in the evening. So we can clearly say that the sun sets late in the evening, thus the days are longer than the night. During summer, we wear light cotton clothes and a warm dry air called loo blows in the summer. Children, especially during the northern parts of India where there is lack of water bodies, during summer season due to excess heat, we can see hot dry air called loo blowing. In this season, we like to have cold drinks and ice cream. Everyone loves to have ice cream, especially during summer season. We prefer to go to a hill station for vacations during summer. Children, whenever we have summer vacation, every one of us, we plan on going to some or the other place where there is less amount of heat. Monsoon season. Monsoon season starts from July and lasts till September. It is a time when we experience heavy rainfall, especially in the months of July and August. Children, now that it is the month of July, we can clearly see that maximum of the days there are heavy clouds and on some of the days there is heavy rainfall too. We should always carry an umbrella while moving out of our house as it may rain anytime. Raincoats can also be worn to save us from getting wet in rain. Floods also occur in low-lying areas during monsoons. Children, during rainy season especially, the raincoats and umbrellas they protect us from getting wet. And in India, normally due to cyclones, we have floods, and in the low-lying area it becomes very difficult for people when there is flood situation. Moving towards the autumn season, autumn is the season before winter. It comes in October. The days begin to get cold. Trees shed their leaves in this season. Children, this is a season which comes around in the month of October, and it is during this time after the Kali Puja especially when we start feeling the chill in the air. And this season is also called the season of fall because during this time maximum trees they shed their leaves. Moving to the next page, children, we have Now I Know. The atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. The same weather condition for a few months form a season. Similarly, there are different types of weather like hot weather, cold weather, rainy or windy weather. In India, we experience 5 major seasons which are winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. Children, in this portion we can see that the atmospheric condition which changes from place to place and time to time during a particular span is called weather, and the weather condition which remains constant for a few months form the season. In India we experience mostly 4 types of weather: hot, cold, rainy and windy, and we experience 5 major seasons: winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. Coming down towards our exercise portion, now I can tell First part A. Tick the correct answer. The warm and dry air blows in summer, winter, monsoon. The correct answer is summer, so we have put a tick here. The nights are long and days are short in winter, summer and spring. The correct answer will be winter, so we have put a tick here. We can save ourselves from rain by wearing shoes, umbrella, raincoat. The correct answer is raincoat, so we have put a tick here. The trees shed their leaves in autumn, spring and summer. The correct answer is autumn, so we have put a tick here. Moving to bit B, write T for true and F for false statement. First one, the condition of air of a place at a particular time is called weather. It is true, so we have written T. The same weather for a long period of time is called summer. It is false, so we have written F. Warm as well as dry air blows on a hot day. This statement is false, so we have mentioned F. The sun hides behind the clouds on a cold day. This statement is true, so we have put a T over here. It rains heavily during monsoon. This statement is true, so we have put T over here. Moving forward to the next page, we have first the bit C. Fill in the blanks using words given below. The day-to-day change for short time is called weather. In summer, the sun shines brightly. The rainy season comes after the summers. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Give one word for the following. Bit D. Hot season is summer. Cold season, winter. Rainy season, monsoon. Season during which trees shed their leaves, autumn. Season during which flowers bloom, spring. Moving forward to bit number E. What is weather? The atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time is called weather. Question 2. What is a season? When the weather remains the same for a few months, it is called a season. Question number 3. What happens in spring? Green plants and colorful flowers bloom in the spring season. Children, this portion is our exercise and we have to write it down in the book itself. Thank you.